Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, Saturday, March the 2nd, 2024. It's today, Saturday, and I've already solved three puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number, let me see which number it will be. 8115. 8115. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has double those numbers. 16. So I think it's a 1-star or maybe 2 stars puzzle. 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. If it's a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this a 2 stars or a 1-star puzzle? I don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes. Oh, no. Correction. We have 1 single box. Always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box here, here, and there. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order here. Let me mark those. Here also, do not know in which order. Here also, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Here also, 1 and the 2. All right. And next question. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already given. So the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area. Oh, wait. Next question, we have a triple box. Next question is the quadra boxes. We have only 1 quadra box in this puzzle. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same. Oh wait, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Yeah. Let me correct this. Almost made a mistake here. Okay. Only 1 shape in this puzzle. We have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape, rotated? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. And we have only 1 L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Here we have another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here the same numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now. This box can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2 and that box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this quadrat box are the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. If I place a 1 here or 2, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. Let me see. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. We have a double 1 here and double 2 there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have the 1 there and double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Of course, this is connected with each other. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright, this box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this area. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. And now, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow. Told you. Should be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it should be a 0 stars puzzle because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Yes, Sunday we have an additional. I will start in the afternoon the 4 puzzles. In the additional, in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Saturday.